In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Upsert module for Airtable in make.com. First, let's quickly frame what Upsert means. It's a single action that either updates an existing Airtable record or creates a new one if no match is found. This is perfect for keeping data in sync without building separate create and update paths. We begin with a trigger because the trigger is what supplies the data that will flow into Airtable. Your trigger could be a webhook receiving data from another service, a scheduled import that runs on a timetable, or a watch records event in another app. Choose the trigger that matches where your data originates. The key point is that the trigger's output should include all the fields you want to push into Airtable, such as names, emails, timestamps, or unique identifiers. If your source provides a unique key, keep it in the payload. It will be helpful when deciding what to update later. With that in place, add the Airtable module called Upsert a record. This is where the create or update logic happens automatically. Start by selecting the Airtable base and the specific table where your data belongs. Double-check that the table contains the fields you plan to fill. Mismatched field types can cause errors, so make sure text maps to text, numbers to numbers, and date fields are in a format. Airtable accepts. Next, look at the record ID field in the module. If you already have the Airtable record ID from an earlier step in your scenario, map it here. When a valid record ID is present, the module updates that exact record. If you don't have one, simply leave this field blank, and Make will create a brand new record for you automatically. It's important not to confuse the Airtable record ID with your own app's unique identifier. If you want to keep your external ID for reference, store it in a dedicated Airtable field, and use it in your field mapping instead of in the record ID box. Finally, map the fields you want to populate or update. Drag values from your trigger into the matching Airtable fields, keeping data types aligned. For single or multiple select fields, send values that match existing options. For dates, use a consistent format like ISO 8601. If a field is optional, you can leave it unmapped, and Airtable will preserve whatever is already there. Once configured, the Upsert will either update the matched record or create a new one seamlessly, giving you a reliable, maintenance-friendly sync into Airtable.